Last time Vander needed us, we tried it alone, and nothing was ever the same. So, maybe this is like a do-over. Besides, he's your father too.
What are you waiting for? He's your dad too.
I'm proud of you. Always have been. You've got a good heart.